In this video, I will show you how to buy Ethereum on Kraken. So from our home tab, we're going to click on buy. And here we already see Ethereum, but you can also type it in and then you will see Ethereum at the top. Click on that and right now you can select if you want to buy now or if you want to buy at recurring interval. So you can select which moments you want to buy, so you can depend the frequency, but I'm just going with buy now. So I'm going to click on buy now. And under that, we can select our payment method. And I'm going to pay with my Euro balance. And you can also pay with your Apple Pay, with your card, or you can also deposit cash by you clicking on this option in here. So I'm going to select Euro. And right now I'm going to enter an amount of 2. And we click on next after that. And then the only thing you need to do is swipe to confirm down below. If everything is all right, you see the fees that are included. I'm going to swipe. And as you can see, we have successfully bought Ethereum. We can view the transaction in here. And this means that our transaction is finalized. So when we go back to our assets right now in our portfolio, when we refresh, then we see that our Ethereum is added. And that is how you do it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.